Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to remove footer space in Word. Access the Word document. You can see the space in the current footer. Here, double-click on the footer. By doing so, in the menu, Header and Footer in the field, Footer from bottom, adjust the new space for the footer. Exit the footer and validate that the footer space has been removed. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.